Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Outdoor. Look at what we got here. This is, in fact, the new Scag V-Ride XL. Much anticipated. It's already out there. Sorry it took so long to get the video done, but let's dive right in. First of all, looking at it, as you can see, you get the blackout scheme. Looks very nasty, looks really good. Get a ton of compliments. A lot of the landscapers who bought from us are like, man, people are asking me, what mower is that? So people are really loving that. Let's dive right in. Engine-wise, right here, we got the big boy. We got the 40 horsepower Vanguard EFI. This also comes with the 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki and the 38 horse Kohler. All of those being EFI engine options. So again, you're only getting the big boys. Deck size, of course, we got the 61 here, but you can get a 52, of course, 61, and then the big boy, the 72, which they're also coming out with the dualies for the rear. So that's people are really wanting to get their hands on that because of hills and everything else. It's going to handle extremely well. Next up, this is a big thing for a lot of people. You can go all the way up to 6 inches. So 6 inches max height cut. So again, you get out in the spring, it's been raining a bunch, whatever's going on, you can raise that up there, you're not dealing with clumping. And the Velocity Plus deck, tried and true, honestly no issues there. Up top here, as you can see, we're getting dual fuel tanks compared to the single tank on the standard V-Ride. A lot of people excited for that. Add a little bit more weight, handle hills a little bit better. Also, you're mowing all day, that's what this is designed for. You're not gonna have to fill up. No more trips to the gas station, no more grabbing that big tank, when you're 100 feet away, 200 feet away. Clutch-wise, you're getting the big boy. You're getting the Agura 3.5. So again, you're getting the bigger hydros as well. So the Hydro Gear 16 cc's, this is gonna propel this machine up to 11.6 miles per hour. Downhill, you might hit 12. That is flying, especially on a standoff. So what they've done is they've added the extra comfort seat back. So right here, super plush, super comfortable. It's gonna handle you all day. People are always asking, man, a zero turn sounds a lot better because it's gonna be a lot more comfortable. Honestly, guys, with the springs and the seat and the platform and then that cushion, honestly, you can mow all day and be comfortable. As you can see, once you get on here, super easy. All your controls are here. You got your parking brake, standard, just like on the V-Ride. You got your deck height adjustment right here. You just push this in, drop it down, pull it back up for transport. Both of them forward, both of them back. You know the gamut. You got your blades right here, easy to get to. Got your key. Of course, they got the Tiger Eye system up here and a check engine light. So guys, people are really excited about this mower. We're really excited about it. We're gonna get some more detailed shots of it. If you have any questions on it, definitely reach out to us. We appreciate everybody calling. We get calls from all over the country on the products. And again, if you're in our area, we are located in Ohio. We have people travel all around Ohio to come and see us. If you want to get a mower from us, you want to get a really good price, stop in and see us. Thanks for watching.